Welcome back to Legacy Lab, where we lace up our skates to reveal that the history of hockey isn't just a bunch of guys with no teeth from the 1950s, because today we are talking about the Colored Hockey League of the Maritimes. Picture Nova Scotia in 1895, where black Canadians were essentially being told they could watch the game but not play it. So they did what every legendary disruptor does, and they built their own league, which became the ultimate glitch in the sporting world's operating system. This wasn't just a weekend hobby. It was a high-speed masterclass in innovation, featuring teams with iconic names like the Africville Ciders and the Dartmouth Jubilee. Let me tell you, these guys were playing chess while the rest of the world was playing checkers. While the white leagues were still playing a gentlemanly, upright style, the Colored Hockey League players were out here inventing the slap shot and the modern butterfly style for goalies, which basically means they are the reason hockey actually got exciting and fast-paced. They used the rink as a space for social power and community organizing, proving that they could outskate and outthink anyone who tried to ice them out of the national pastime. Fun fact for your next sports debate, because even though the NHL usually gets all the credit, the legendary Eddie Martin of the Halifax Eureka's is credited with the first recorded slap shot in history back in 1906, long before the pros ever thought of winding up. These men didn't just play for a trophy, they played for dignity, and created a blueprint for the modern game that the rest of the world is still trying to master today. Smash that like button, subscribe to Legacy Lab, and comment below your favorite hockey team.